Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to share with you the proper way which you should be trading the tops, the double tops and the double bottom. Now most people actually find it difficult to do this because they do not use the right way, alright, of trading this. So without much further ado guys, let's head to the screen so I can show you what I discovered, and with this it will actually help you improve your win rate trading the double top and the double bottom patterns. Yo guys, so before we kickstart that video, I'd like to introduce you to my Telegram channel. This will actually drop signals for my members. Alright, so today I told them to buy Euro USD guys, and as you all can see we were in massive profits after the CPI. So let's go to the video proper now guys. Excuse me. So before we kickstart, I would like to do an anatomy of how double tops and double bottom actually work guys. Now this is where people get it wrong. In trading double tops, you need to find something like this. Let's say that this is the first one. Alright, we all know that this is double top, right? Something like this. Okay, and then this is double bottom. This is how content creators do draw it for you guys. But now let me show you the difference between these two things guys. Now in order for you to draw it well, this is what you actually need to do. We get to see that this is the first stop, and this is where people get it wrong. Once the market pulls alright down like this and then starts the new phase to the double top, you get to see something like this guys. Okay, kind of higher highs and higher lows, okay, into this particular double top. Now this is where you get it wrong. Once you see that this other wave right here is giving you higher highs and higher lows, you are not actually to trade such double top. Same thing as if you are if you are trading double bottom. Now the reason why you are not to trade such double tops is because you can see that this was higher high, higher low, and now price is actually accumulating pressure. Alright, the price is actually accumulating pressure from the higher high, higher low. There were traders here, okay, who entered long higher highs and higher lows. They were actually traders too who entered on the second one and on the third one. So there's already pressure, alright, getting to this level here. So those who are waiting here won't, the sellers here won't actually be able to surmount this pressure. That's why when you get somewhere you see something like this, maybe a little pull, okay, before price finally breaks. Now same thing as in the downtrend, whereby you see what, you see a lower low and then a lower high. Then the next thing is that the price starts to give you internal lower lows and lower highs into this particular bottom right here. Then you are not to trade this kind of bottom because they are pressure, they are sellers entering the market, taking positions at this little swings to actually break the structure. So maybe once price gets here, just the little buyers here pulls it a little and then it breaks. So now if you have to ask me how should double tops and double bottoms be traded. Now this is how you are actually going to trade double tops and double bottom. Now what you need to do is that you just need, in terms of a double top, something like this, okay, the first top, and then you need to see price pull, alright, with some momentum, you understand, something like this, okay, into this top. Now this is where you actually to trade, to go to your lower time frame and then spot your entry and then sell, okay. Now the same thing as for double bottom, you need to see price come down with a little bit of momentum. No, you shouldn't actually see trend, okay, or a series of lower lows and lower highs into this particular zone. No, it should just, market should come down, because now the sellers pull like this. The sellers actually entered here and then pulled it with force to this particular zone. Now with this, yeah, the sellers are not really much, so the buyers will be able to pull price instantly to the up direction, guys. So haven't given you that anatomy of how you should trade your double top and double bottom. We are now on our chart, guys. So you can see that this is the current top right here. So what you need to do is that you need to see price gives you a strong momentum, all right, and without higher highs and lows on the time frame you'll be trading. So in this case, this is a 4 hours. You can see our price fanned, all right, here. You can see the momentum right here, all right. You can see that there is a lot of momentum on this candles, 1 2 3 4 to this direction. Once you see things like this, then what you need to do is that you go to your lower time frame and then identify your break of structure and then trade that particular trend. All right, so now let's check out another example, guys. So guys, here is another example on GBPAUD, and this is the current top. Okay, so the next thing that we need to see, guys, is that, remember I told you that we must see a bullish move into the double top, right, into this top right here. So let's go ahead and see what price does. Okay, boom. All right, guys, so after this bullish move into this top right here, the next thing that we need to do is to go to a lower time frame and then identify your potential break of structure. Video be dedicated to this in subsequent times to come. I will make a video on how to identify break of structure. So once you go to your lower time frame and then identify that, you can now place your trade and watch how it will actually play out. Another example on USD CHF, and this was the current top at this point. So now let's see what happens. Okay, all right, let's see what happens before price gets to the top. Okay, oh, all right guys, now this is what we are looking for when you actually want to trade a double top. You need to see a power move into the double top right here, and from here you can now go to your lower time frame. Now the emphasis is on this power move, this bullish candle, right, into this top. That is one of the things you need to see. Subsequent bullish candles into the top, maybe 1 2 or 3 into this top. Then once you see that, you now go to your lower time frame and then identify your break of structure, and you can actually trade the trend very well, guys. So if this video was useful, do well to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget that the Telegram link is in the description box, so you can join our free group there, and also turn on post notifications so you get future updates from us. Peace out.